Hi, and welcome to MTG Real Estate Tools training video for the revenue and expense report. So when you log into the system, you'll be taken to a screen that looks like this, where there'll be a drop-down box to the applications that you have. You'll want to pick the revenue and expense report drop-down. And then when you get to this point, what you'll want to do is you want to click the Add New button if you're starting a brand new record. And I'll assume for this video that we are starting a brand new record. If you already have records, you'll see them down here in your listing, and you can go into a current one and click the edit button. But right now I'll just say that we're going to do the add new button. So you click the add new button, and then when you do that, it'll take you to this screen where you'll be able to see the revenue and expense summary, the revenue report, the mileage section, and the other business section. So this file or this tab up here is basically a summary of all the information that you're going to enter into these other ones. So this is the revenue section. So basically, when you get a check in the door, whether it's for your payroll, or whether it's for a commission check or whatever, you enter the information into here, add as much detail as you want, and the revenue numbers will roll up based on the revenue dates that you have in here. On the mileage section, very straightforward. You enter the description of the trip, the number of miles, and the mileage cost will calculate automatically based on the 56-cent rate per the IRS for 2021. On the other business cost side, this is where you're going to put in all of your other types of costs. So there'll be a drop-down list. You can choose from any of the drop-down fields that we have. And then if you want to add a little bit more information in the description box, you can. And then enter the amount of the expense. And you can always go up here and actually show more of the record. So if you want to see 50, it'll basically take and expand the view. And then once you're done with the inputs, you can come back to the revenue and expense summary, see how everything looks, and then when you're all done, you can either print this page out to keep for your records, or you can save this. So when you save it, it's basically when you put the revenue and expense year in here, and then you go back into the data section of the revenue and expense summary, the data that you just put into your file is going to show up as a new data record. And as I mentioned, when you create a new data record and you want to go in and add more information, you go into the one that you just created. This one was last updated as of 4/36, so this is the one that I just did. So come back in here, click edit, and the edit button will basically take you to your file. So thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed the training video.